Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bicycle helmet. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the helmet. I will draw the sketching first and then I will do the outline. Let's make a border. Now make it wavy. This is not perfect, so I'm trying it again. I will do some sections here. Let's fill these sections with black color. I'm cleaning all the extra pencil marks. I'm using my pencil to create a light gray color. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.